Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group Daily Review video 61 coming here at you guys. And had a record day last night. I got in late last night, so I wasn't able to do a video. But look at that, 0.87%. I earned 124.68, guys. The most money I've ever made in one day in S Group. So it's definitely a historic day. I couldn't believe my eyes when I got the notification late last night. 124.68, guys. Basically almost 125 bucks in one day. American funds. So things are looking really, really great. So let's take a look here. So if I do all is red, I'm just going to check my 2 weeks of earnings for Forex. Look at that, I'm at basically 550 bucks, guys, that I've made in 9 days. Yeah, because there's still today. So let's see if we can crack the 600 mark. And yeah, I'm well over 19,000, guys. I'm going to take some money out, though, because I got some stuff to deal with. But yeah, things are looking real good, guys. So if you guys are just checking out S Group, if you're just searching on YouTube just to see what this is all about, this is an ability to make some passive income on money invested. I have money invested in the Forex market, as you can see right here, guys. And the money that's invested here, it's trading on the Forex market, all on autopilot. In S Group, it uses an intelligently programmed bot, which does the trading for you. So you don't have to have any experience or knowledge in the Forex market to be able to earn money on it. And yeah, you just have to have your money invested in things happen on autopilot in the background, guys. Eventually, I want to get into the like S Pharmaceutical, and then SIPO, liquidity mining. These are the other areas in the company you can invest in. So it's just a matter of time, just kind of being patient with this, utilizing this money to pay some bills, guys, and keep things moving. So yeah, I highly suggest you guys to check this out. Click on the sign up link down below. You can join my team. That's really the only way to get into the S Group companies. You have to be referred in. So yeah, just click on the link down below, sign up, join the team, and you can be a part of this, guys, this money-making opportunity here for you. It's a great way to earn some extra money on the side. It just runs on autopilot every day. Between Monday and Friday, you receive your earnings, which is at 8 p.m. Central Time, no matter where you are in the world. And yeah, guys, once you come in and you sign up, you can get set up on any of these tier levels. Usually most people that come in just to test it out, they usually start off on the first 3 tier levels. So whatever level you come in will determine how much percentage you'll make. So 100 to 499, you'll earn 50%. They get 50%. And then 500 to 1499, you'll get 60%. They get 40% of the daily profits. And if you come in at 1500, you'll get 65. They get 35. So just working my way up. I'm at this level here, guys. I'm at the 75-25. Want to hope to get to 80-20 real soon, hopefully around Christmas time. We'll see how things move along, but just want to make this quick video, guys, for you to show you my earnings from last night. Really excited about it. I can't believe it here. 0.87. I made $124.68. Just to go compare the day before, it was 0.44. I made 62.85. The day before, 0.29. I made 41.33. So as you see, it goes up and down depending on how the market is. The computer trades automatically for you, so it basically tries to determine how the market's going to go. So yeah, amazing historic day, guys. I've been in the system for 2 years. I've never made this much in one day, 124.68. So really excited about that. So yeah, so I'm getting towards the end of this 5-minute daily review video. Make sure you click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel, see all my progress as things happen day by day. And also click on the sign up link down below, guys, so you can sign up under my team And yeah, you can get going, and I'll show you how to fund your account, get things moving. And my email address is in the link in the description down below if you have any questions. All right, see you guys in the next video.